see. Hey, knockout.
But we're not done yet, because Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh would like to say a word as soon as they're done up stitching up their assholes, of course. So now, ladies and gentlemen, here to fuck up yet another climax, please welcome Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh.
हमारी एंट्रियां ने दिल में बजी घंटियां ने टंग पर दाड़ा दाड़ी करना न अब नहीं सुधरना टूटने लगा है
That hurt harder than the time I gave Karan an audition for Shuddhi.
4,000 रुपए दे के ये देखने आ गया हमारी पिक्चर है ना एक बार जाकर भोसड़ी के Oh, they're gonna get fucked in the ass. Let's go watch these. But we won't go to multiplex to watch films.
25 बार देख सकते थे गुंडे बेंचो 4,000 में.
बाबा
छुट्टी है लोग.
इतनी हिम्मत तो हमें भी नहीं थी.
Oh.
But no, seriously guys, a huge round of applause to everyone, especially All India Bakchod. I mean, I love these guys. AIB, I love All India Bakchod, man. Tanmay, Rohan, Khamba, Akon.
Seriously, Ashish, how can I roast somebody who's already burnt? Dambar,
डांबर नु टुकड़ो.
Amavas. Trikal. Abhish Matthew is here, ladies and gentlemen. The sweet virginal boy. Abhish's father regretted his birth so much that when he saw him for the first time, he turned to his wife and he said, "Kal se sirf anal, huh?"
Tanmay Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. Tanmay Bhatt, thank you for letting us have this show inside you.
Oh, no. I'm not saying Tanmay Bhatt is fat, but Tanmay Bhatt doesn't have a bath. Tanmay Bhatt has a Visarjan.
Fun fact about Tanmay Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. Tanmay Bhatt's favorite superhero is Tarla Dalal. Seriously, guys, the only reason Khamba started the AIB podcast is because Tanmay likes to talk after sex. And the first four rows didn't get that joke because they don't follow the AIB podcast.
Yeah.
They are the free seaters in a night for charity.
Yeah. Industry.
Film industry वालों,
Yeah.
अभी भी free passes मांगोगे? आओ.
हम लोग sports, politics और हम. Rohan Joshi is here, ladies and gentlemen. Rohan Joshi, Mojo Rojo, as he's very affectionately called. If you're Mojo Rojo, what the fuck does that make you three? The Powerpuff Girls? Powerpuff! Gandu, you dated the sister of Alia Bhatt, Shaheen Bhatt. You're the most pointless addition to the Bhatt family since Vikram.
But seriously, I mean, sorry Rohan, we have no more jokes on you. You're so fucking generic.
Aditi Mitra, what the fuck are you laughing at? All of your jokes are fucking male bashing.
So you're sort of like Karan Johar after a breakup.
Oh fuck, what do we have here? It's Rajiv Masan! Oh fuck!
Sabki pasand! Yeah!
Rajiv, how does it feel to be part of another show where nobody gives a fuck about what you say? Rajiv, I was hoping that your jokes would be funny towards the second half, but much like your life, it was quite pointless, your performance. In fact, your performance was so one-tone and one-dimensional that if I watched you in 3D, you'd still be flat, motherfucker.
In the end, I'll be generous and give Rajiv half a star, but only for his hot wife. Because his roast was more painful than a root canal. Laugh na. Since this is the only time you're going to find us great.
Oh, Christopher Nolan. Raghu, you and your brother Rajiv Lakshman are confusing to me at a biological level because you both look like testicles, but you're both assholes.
You know, Baba, honestly, जब रघु और राजीव पैदा हुए ना, दुनिया में पहली बार एक चूत से दो चूतियां निकली, जिन्होंने एक चूतिया चैनल पे एक चूतिया शो बनाया, जहां हजारों चूतियों ने ऑडिशन किया, जिनमें से 20 चूतियों ने चूतिया कंट्रीज में जाके अपना चूतिया कटाया और 100 करोड़ चूतिया ऑडियंस को चूतिया बनाया. रघु, what I'm trying to say is, no, रघु, seriously, what I'm trying to say is, तू इतना गाली क्यों देता है यार? रघु, अच्छा सच्चे दिल से एक बात बता, हाँ? तू हिलाता है या अपने लंड पे चिल्लाता है? निकाल पहुंचने का बेंचा तू चीज करेगा? छूट ना!
खड़ा नहीं हो सकता, तू रोड पे बनेगा! तू रोड पे बनेगा!
तू रोड लिया तूने! तू बनेगा! लेगा किसी! खड़ा तो हो नहीं सकता! बेंचा तू क्या बेंचा किसी करेगा? तू अपनी बीवी के रैली में तेरी औकात क्या है?
तू रोटी बनेगा? But, well, fuck. All fucking jokes aside, thank you for ripping on us. The truth is, I genuinely am quite depressed about Kill Dil flopping.
Why, Baba? You know what you need?
What?
According to me, your career needs a mind-blowing, chaka-chak, glamorous dharma film.
That's my position, Ranveer.
You can judge us all you want,
And hate on us.
and you can shit on us,
And call us.
all kinds of names, but we'll be absolutely fine. You know
Because unlike the bunch of these losers, we have the option of having sex with whoever we want.
why? Not me, baby. No, no.
Baby, I mean, Bhabhi. You want to find some fanny?
Ladies and gentlemen, Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh. So. Tonight at the AIB knockout, these two deviants took a whole bunch of insults, bit slaps, outright terrible shit, right? Not because they're masochists, or well, not just because they're masochists, but what are you doing? But because we're here for some very important causes as well, and tonight I'm proud to say we've raised close to 40 lakh rupees to be distributed across charities, across 3 charities. Ranveer Singh will be donating to Vogue Empower and Give India, which as we know is quite a thing he would like to do. Arjun Kapoor will donate to the Tata Memorial Center, and my contribution will go towards being human, because even my choice of charity is a cliche. A huge thank you to our panel, Raghu Ram, Aditi Mittal, Abhish Matthew, Rajiv Masan, and of course, All India Bakchod, ladies and gentlemen, for putting together tonight's show. And of course, a huge thank you to these two fucking bastards, Arjun and Ranveer. Thank you for doing this. It takes a ton of guts to take that sound of pounding. You took it like champs. And now we sing the song and we sing it together. Come here. Okay, it goes like this. First do the alap.
A 1, a 2,
A 1, 2, 3, 4. I want the words. Sing with me. अब तो मेरा लंड खड़ा खड़ा सोता है, क्या करूँ हाय कुछ नहीं होता है. From the bottom of our hearts, all I can say is we love you, and now fuck off!
ও সুন্দরী ওরে রসগোল্লা কেন করিস হল্লা তোকে দেখে দিল মাঙে মোর
तूने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार end up in flames. Everything is gonna end up in flames. Everything is gonna end up in knockout. Show no mercy. Hey! Knockout!